Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2013 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.